Hi, you guys. Before a global pandemic, we were learning about making solutions and how to do that. And another way to make solutions is to take something that is concentrated and dilute it. Maybe you've seen this for, like, if you buy those like orange juice cans and you add water to them. That's a good example of something that you might do at home. That would be like a dilution. And the equation to solve dilution problems is very simple. It is the first molarity of the first thing, cool pen, and the volume of the first thing set equal to the molarity of the second and the volume of the second. So you multiply those two things together, you will get the equation to use dilutions, and really you're just going to get three variables and solve for the fourth one that you're missing. Okay. So in a dilution problem, you usually take something that's concentrated and you're trying to figure out how much of this do I need and how much water do I add to it. So something like this example problem says what volume of 2.5 molar sulfuric acid must be diluted to make a 215 milliliter 0.75 molar solution. Really, it doesn't matter if you call this V2 or V1, as long as you keep these two together, because those are the pairs, you'll get the right answer either way. But let's just read it and let's say, well, I'll call this our M1, diluted to make a 215 milliliter 2 and M2. So when you set it up, you'd have 2.5 molar times V1 equals 215 milliliters times 0.75 molar. And you don't need to change this to liters as long as they match. And so if we keep this in milliliters, our answer is going to be in milliliters. If you change this one to liters, then your answer for V1 would be in liters. So solving is very simple. Just divide both sides by 2.5. And you get V1 equals 2, i.e. 215 times 0.75 divided by 2.5. I got 64.5, and that would be milliliters for your answer. Then on some problems you do need to change them, like if they don't match. So let's read this problem number 2. It says if 250 milliliters of a 12 molar solution of nickel 2 sulfate is diluted to 1.5 liters, what is the final concentration of the new solution? So here's looking for final concentration. We'll call that M2. Then this would be your V1, and this would be your M1, not my best, M1 there. And we're solving for M2. Oh, here is our V2. But if you look V1 and V2, you got milliliters and you have liters, they have to match up. So to do that, you're going to want to just convert one to the other. So I'm going to convert my milliliters to liters by dividing by 1,000. So take 250 milliliters times 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, or just do this part in your head. You don't need to write it out like this, 0.25 liters. Then set up as 0.25 liters times 12 molar equals 1.5 liters, and we're solving for M2. Again, we're using that dilution equation, which is M1 V1 equals M2 V2. And then just divide both sides by 1.5. And that cancels out, of course, and you would have on this problem 0.25 times 12 divided by 1.5, and we would get 2. So M2 equals 2 molar. What that means is that if you take this much concentrated solution and then 250 milliliters of it, and you add water until it's 1.5 liters. If you do all that and measure it very, very carefully, then at the end, your answer will be that it's 2 molar if you measured 1.5 liters. Anyway, hey, guys are back. We're doing it. Enjoy the video. Okay, bye.